Saza nakumva turabyumva. Sasa hano hari habaye impanuka. Mutabazi bw'ibanze barahagera. Hano hari umusore muto. Mutabare.
Okay. Stopping CPR. Beginning east.
Mwe mkorera CPR amureke ko umuntu yakanguka.
Monitor VF. Get ready.
Mwe witeguye.
All clear. Activate.
Sawa.
Yes sir.
Kumbe umusore hano yaje asanga isura ye yago karayini ka parasite kari muri forme ya insect kagenda kaguruka aha namwe bacukuye icyobo.
I can't believe you're on the roof smoking again.
Ntabwo nakwizera ko kwepfishurwa bari muri itabi yakuno.
In class.
Wakaba iri muri class ya masaha.
Keiko, seriously, would you quit snooping?
Ati Keiko waretse kungendaho. Kagasore twabonye batwara umubiri wako karimo karireba.
Even here.
I'm not snooping, you idiot. Teacher's looking for you right now.
They want to give me another lecture. Don't worry about it, okay?
Stop it. Get in trouble too. They know we've been friends since we were little.
Kaje kegera ikigo maniga ava yikongereza amafege n'umugore sarwana na burike
Sakio, I understand you're working on a new
casino's
profits to give back to the city.
That's right.
Sasa hano kuri televiziyo bavugaga ibyo avuga.
Now we can finally serve the city.
Ubu tushaka kuba twateza umujyi imbere.
It's a symbol of Sarayashiki City.
Umujyi wacu turashaka kuwushyiramo ikintu kumbe cya cyobo bacukuye hano hari urimo arakivuga kuri televiziyo ngo arakintu gitangaza ashaka gukora muri uyu mujyi ku buryo umujyi w'icyitegererezo kurusha indi mijyi.
Amusement, don't you?
Ndashaka habe hari ahantu ha amusement abantu baza gutemberera gusohokera kubona za amusement park. Hano mudamu nawe yibereye ku mafege.
In terms of implementing this new business venture, what is your
strategy? Yusuke. Kuki utari ku ishuri?
I got angry so I ditched.
Narakaye nkwepa ishuri. Umwana ngo nabwira nyina nawe yibera ku mafege.
You can make me coffee since you.
Basi ntunganyiriza ikawa mu gihe utari ku ishuri. We buretse.
Nico.
Reba wa musore.
Oh. No, but sorry.
We ntacyo zabona n'ubuta. Ubwana ku kigo bw'icuri buramutinya. Kake yikoko barakuranye. Kone kajya kamutinya. Bakuriye muri quartier hamwe.
Hey, Yusuke.
Yeah.
Hey, Yusuke. Here you go.
Today at school you stopped the bullies, right?
Ati umunsi ku ishuri wahagaritse abana banyuzuraga mugenzi wabo.
Why didn't you explain you were helping another student?
Utasobanuye abayobozi ko arimo arafasha mugenzi wawe.
Wait, that's too much effort.
Izo mbaraga njya kwanyiza mbabwira nsobanura iki.
Yusuke, why didn't you listen to me for once?
Basi wawe bwari mwagereka ngo kugira inama.
I'm telling you.
Kameza agashike mugenzi barakuranye ariko ntajya kumva.
I'll handle this.
Ibyanjye nabizi ndabyikemurira. Sasa.
Whatever.
Musense gusa.
All right, well, I don't care.
Nano ngambyitayeho kwanza nushaka kuzasibire. Karivumbura. For real Sankara.
Long ago.
Tangira utubwira ati long ago.
Long ago.
Ati kera habayeho.
The human world and demon world were connected.
Ati isi y'amadayimoni n'isi y'abantu byari bifite aho bihuriye.
Humans who wandered into the demon world were attacked by yokai.
Ati abantu bagerageza kwinjira mu isi y'amadayimoni batakoga n'icyitwaga yokai.
While yokai crept into the human world to prey on humans.
Asibye ko yokai yagumaga mu bantu kugira ngo ikomeze iba munge cyangwa se irye abantu bari bayitunga. Hari ikintu cyitwaga yokai cyo cyaryaga abantu.
Later,
nyuma yaho,
the spirit world drew a boundary between the two.
Atusibye ko ngo isi y'imyuka yaje gushyiraho bariyeri hagati y'isi y'amadayimoni n'isi y'abantu.
From the demon world.
Spirit world ngo n'isi y'imyuka.
That was the plan.
Aturiona ari umupangu kugira amadayimoni adakomeza kwica abantu no kubarya. Kananga arongera yibuka ukuntu byagenze uburyo yagonzwe.
Looks like I'm a ghost now.
Bisa nkaho muri akamwanya umuntu umudayimoni. Ndo umuzimu to.
Kids these days are pretty quick to catch on.
Iminsi rwose ni myiza n'ubwa mbere tubonye umuntu windutse umuzimu. Agahita byakira.
Can't accept that they're in the afterlife now.
Nyuma y'abagiye kirekire abantu benshi batiyakira yuko bahindutse wowe se wiyakira ko abaye umuzimu.
So this is enough evidence to convince you of that, right?
Ati rwose hari amahirwe yo kuba wagaruka ibuntu.
Who would you be?
ubundi wowe waburinde.
Think of me as your guide.
Ata ubwo ngewe umfata nk'umuyobozi wawe, umuntu uri bukuyobore.
Botan at your service. They say Grim Reaper in the West. I have many titles.
Green Reaper ahantu henshi hagiye hatandukanye muri West. Amatitire menshi cyangwa
your greetings. This is crazy.
Wensuhuza na bintu n'ubusazi.
Right?
Yeah, obviously. I'm in shock, can't you tell?
Nsobanurira neza ntabwo nasobanukirwa ibyo turimo.
Why don't you get that smile off your face?
Uwatse kunsekera uransekera kwera iki? Karangije.
Of course. Yes, your personality matches the data.
Hano haraho turebera data y'abapfuye. Ndabona bikabise ko amakuru yawe ariko bimeze.
Rameshi, 17 years old.
Imyaka 17.
First name, Yusuke, rough, violent, and
ati rwose witwa Yusuke niryo zina rya mbere, uri umusore ukunda akavuyo.
Not very intelligent.
Ukunda inzoga, uri umuhanga mu ishuri ariko ntukunda kwiga.
Fighting,
ukunda kurwana, gusinda,
gambling.
gukina urusimbi.
Quite a reputation.
Mbega bitangaza koko ni uri we.
I think it might be a good thing you died.
Shabanza wapfuye byari bigukwiye. Sasa muzimu bahuriye nawe ugomba kumuyobora ibyepfiri yuko byifata nabateka bisa byari bikwiye kupfa.
Because it sounds like you're really evil.
Shano bondoro umuntu mubipe. Uri umusinzi ni urwana ni ugena urusimbi. Karamukurikira.
And hands are a little grazed, but there are no fractures.
Sasa hakuno kwishuri kakana nako kwa muganga kakana yatabaye kari kumwe na nyina. Mwana ntabwo yakomeretse ntacyo yabaye.
So that means there's no need for him to be hospitalized. He can
Mwana nta mpamvu yo kuvurwa wakomeretse gatari ko nta kibazo.
go home today.
Okay.
Sawa.
Doctor.
Muga.
Can you tell us what happened to that student who saved my son?
None se wambwiye ibyabaye kuri mwana w'umunyeshuri watabaye umwana wanjye. Kombe dore wavuga ngo uriya. Abaye umuzimu kare.
I guess.
Ntangiye kubyemera pe.
That's enough.
Birahagije.
Botan, is that right?
Ubu nta kindi.
Take me away now.
Umwanjyana mu kuzimu, umwanjyana roho yanjye ikajya mu ijuru. Byose niteguye kubyakira.
You know, appearances can be deceiving.
Ati wasanga ibyo uri kubona nabe nakubeshya.
I don't think you understand. I'm not bringing you to hell or anywhere for that matter.
Ati usibye ko nyuma y'ibyo byose mubanza utuzana ngo njye kujyana mu kuzimu cyangwa n'ahari hose.
Huh?
Ngo?
What are you saying?
Uravuga
To
iki?
tell the truth, your
Ubwije ukuri.
death was not anticipated by the spirit world.
Ati ubu ngubu baracyari mu isi y'imyuka ariko ntabwo roho yawe iramenyekana niba ijya mu kuzimu cyangwa mu ijuru.
Nobody could have ever imagined a hoodlum like you would have sacrificed himself in order to save a child.
Ariko ntabwo ndiyumvisha ukuntu umusore nkawe wakwiyahura kugira ngo nako wakwitama kugira ngo utabare umwana.
Oddities like this are very rare.
Abantu nkawe ni bake cyane.
You say odd?
There are important things that we still have to discuss, Yusuke.
Ati wa musore hari byinshi tugomba kuganira.
But first,
Gusa.
we have to get you to the spirit world.
Ariko ndabaza ngo ujyane mu isi y'imyuka.
Don't worry, my boss will explain everything.
Nyuma na nyuma boss wajya gusobanurira buri kimwe.
We're leaving?
Tugiye kuva hano se?
Right now.
Ahubwo twageze iyo tujya. Isi y'imyuka do imigendere ni ukuba uri ugahindura
On a higher plane
imigaragarire.
dimension.
Hano twaduhinde days.
You're
Ni wowe
Enma?
niwe Enma.
I'm King Enma Jr.,
Banyita umwami Enma Junior.
also known as Koenma.
Ariko abenshi banyita Koenema.
So you need to watch your tongue.
Ubwo ucunga ururimi rwawe ujya kumvugisha ibana neza ngo umwami.
What was that?
Yareba iki?
Never mind.
Ntabwo ari ikibazo.
As you can see, I'm so busy I could die. So
Uko ubibona rwose ubu ndi biza cyane mfite akazi kenshi.
I'll cut to the chase.
Ahubwo reka dufatirane igihe.
Listen up, Yusuke Urameshi.
Umva neza musore muto ya Yusuke.
I'm resurrecting you.
Ngiye kuguha amahirwe yo kuzuka.
In exchange, you'll work as a spirit detective.
Ariko ubwo ningusubiza mu isi y'abazima uragenda umeze nka maneko wo mu myuka. Spirit detective uragenda uri maneko unekera igikota turiho y'imyuka.
And what's that?
None byaba ari ibiki?
Well, you'll be solving cases involving yokai that have invaded the human world.
Ati uragenda ugiye guhangana n'amadayimoni yavuye ku isi y'imyuka mibi uhangane nayo kandi ukorera twebwe.
That role's been vacant for quite a while now, unfortunately.
Ati rero niko bigiye kugera ko nta madayimoni menshi agenda agatera isi y'abazima. Wowe turaguha amahirwe yo kuzuka ugende uri detective wo ku ruhande rw'imyuka.
There's trouble in the world.
Kuko isi irimo ibibazo byinshi. Arangije aracyo azamuye ya insect meze nk'urusenani.
This is a yokai called a roundworm monster.
ati ni kimwe mu madayimoni yitwa yokai, yitwa round monster.
They usually inhabit the demon world,
anayo yaturutse ku isi y'abadayimoni,
but they seem to have entered the human world.
asibye ko bisa nk'ibyateye isi y'abantu.
Find out why the roundworm monster has appeared
genda utanga iki round monster cyangwa urusena naho ruri
in the human world,
mw'isi y'abantu,
and you'll be alive again. That's
mu nyuma turatugusubije ubuzima bwawe, ugende ujye wiga ibintu nk'ibi ngibi ubihitane ubundi wikomeze wibereho.
incentive enough.
nta kindi. maniga ariyumvira.
Thanks.
sawa urakoze ntabyo nemeye. No thanks.
Huh?
aracyumva nawe ngo
You're getting a second chance.
wari uhawe amahirwe ya kabiri yo kongera kuzuka.
Use that.
ubyaye koresha.
Being told what to do.
ndo umuntu udakunda kubwirizwa ibyo ngomba gukora. azaza urugo rwumva nabi.
Use that.
I don't like being told what to do.
ntago nkunda gutegekwa cyangwa guhabwa amabwiriza y'ibyo ngomba gukora.
Plus,
ikindi
everyone will be relieved that Yusuke is dead.
n'ubundi abantu bamaze kwiyakira yuko Yusuke napfuye. ubuse ko najya kubatungura bitagenda bite.
See ya.
saa tubonane mu nyuma none napfuye ndapfa kabiri se.
Wait a minute now.
ariko se wakutugiye gutyo gusa. sasa wari uraha yarazi yuko abantu twaza dukunda kubaho maniga yiyakiriye kera. ko kazi murankoresha gatuna mwene mu mabwiriza. maniga vayo. ntashaka ibintu byanda gutegetse hapana. reka yibere mu isi y'abapfu ntawupfa kabiri. do araza akirirwa ku ma etage areba ijya mbere ku iduniya. arangije reba haba yibereye. mwana
I heard you trying to start a new business with that sinkhole I sold you.
ati numvise ko atangiye business nshya cya cyobo kinini wacukuye.
Yes.
cyane nayitangiye cyane rwose.
You're the only person obsessing over that big hole in the ground.
nubwa mbere numvise umuntu ufite business yo kuba yacukura icyobo kirekire kinini cyane muri uyu mujyi.
Did you find buried treasure down there?
hasi hari ubutunzi bwawe bwishema nka zahabu, diyama cyangwa ibindi.
No.
oya.
No, something even better.
ariko ikihishemo kirenze na zahabu na diyama.
A hole that goes on, and it leads right to the demon world.
ati kiriya cyobo nacukuye kiragenda kikinjemo hasi kikomeza paka kikaba cyatuyobora ku isi y'amadayimoni turutse ya parasite. kumbe maniga arangangisha kuzoka
For a 17-year-old.
tiberatangaje gusanga umuntu umwaje ka 17 ufunga umutwe nkawe. tuza.
You really don't want to be alive?
ase ntagushaka kuzuka koko.
I've done this sort of thing for a while now, Yusuke.
ati Yusuke nanjye binabikoze igihe kinini.
The best way for you to tell what everyone thinks of the deceased is when they come to pay their respects.
ati kenshi kugira ngo umuntu agaragaze ko yuko yapfuye nuko abantu baza kureba umurambo we. kubaha kusezera.
You want to do?
ese ntagushaka kujya gusezera umurambo wawe mbere.
Huh? When Yusuke caught a cold. Oh.
Middle
of winter, my son dives into the river.
That's right.
That's right. That may have been the only time he caught a cold. I was so worried that day. That time too. You cared for him and never left him.
It's
my fault, Atsuko. Atsuko. That day. I told Yusuke to go die.
naramubwiye ngo nashaka agenda apfa ko ikabwe karamugira inama ngaje yitwara neza ku barimu abaka imbabazi atabyumva karamubwira ati ngaho agenda nushaka uzahubwe mu kuzimu none gari kwishinja amakosa ko kuba yapfuye.
It's all my fault.
ati byose ni amakosa yanjye. It's all my fault.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
I'm so sorry.
The detectives. Cyangwa se detective bo mu myuka.
From what I've heard, the rest
byumvishije.
You know what?
Inambara ikurikiyeho ni ikomeye. uyu wayo yakiriye amakuru. Wibuka we niwe utanya isi y'imyuka n'isi y'amadayimoni.
Have to fight those things?
Agiye guhangana n'ibi bintu.
That's not fair. You
stand
a chance.
I know that. But we have no choice.
Nagari bagiye guhangana n'amusibyo ko sinamahita mu dufite.
Just for evil, no matter what.
Ibi bintu nibyo dukeneye ko ajya kwambara dayimoni. Hari